Did you recognize that certain canned fruits and veggies can actually work against your body? Today I will discuss about top thyroid product. Think about that. You're eating healthy, yet with each bite, it seems like your energy is being drained and you're unsure why. You see, there are a couple of so-called healthy fruits and vegetables that employment against your body. Like canned fruits and veggies that have a bunch of added sugars and syrups that aren't actually all that healthy for you. Which is why you'll think you're doing everything right and yet the size never budges and your clothes never fit any differently. If you actually want to enhance your health, then you want to stop counting on expensive advice like organic veggies are the miracle that'll prevent in your body from all of your weight loss problems. Most organic foods are just costlier to form. You think that they're healthier for you once they aren't. If you're feeling tired all the time and have a scarcity of energy, where you'll never seem to urge getting into the morning, and you are feeling tired even after an extended night's sleep, be sure to read the remainder of this new article until the very end, and that I promise you'll be pleasantly surprised. It are often very boring doing an equivalent slow, repetitive workouts over and once again. In fact, you'll feel trapped within the body of somebody far older. Someone who slogs through every day just browsing the motions. Someone you don't want to be. Once you begin taking advantage of this easy technique for ladies below, you'll start to feel even better as you go throughout your day. Now, what you're close to see below is that the most vital thyroid tip of all. So keep reading and listen closely. Because there's a way simpler and easier thanks to improve your health and obtain the body you desire without wasting hours on things that don't work. The wonderful thing about it's you'll roll in the hay tonight before bed. Look, I buy that this sounds too good to be true, and once you see it, you'll think it also sounds too simple to work. You need an easy solution that supports female health that even the busiest women can use. Is easy to implement so you avoid another diet failure and feeling disappointed again. Fights fatigue, aches, and pains while boosting female energy levels naturally. Helps you are feeling more confident in your mind. The thyroid factor may be a 21-day system for ladies supported targeted nutrition techniques and eating strategies specially designed to assist support a more balanced body. Inside this step-by-step eating plan I take you by the hand and tell you which foods support female thyroid activity. The most common foods that trigger fatigue. A simple and enjoyable 21-day eating plan. Listen, I completely understand that it's going to be difficult for you to ascertain yourself living a more high-energy lifestyle such as you remember, a bit like it had been for all of the opposite women who were exactly where you're now that I finally made believers out of. That's why I enforce protecting you with my 100% money-back guarantee. Experience the whole thyroid factor system for 60 full days first, on me, and if you're not satisfied you pay nothing. So if you're able to finally look and feel better while becoming easier in your own skin, plow ahead and go to description box and buy the product and obtain on the means to improving your health.